How to add candidates on TFY's platform. The most efficient method to import candidates into TFY's platform is through API integrations. We offer two open APIs that facilitate the seamless import or export of data between any system and TFY. This feature also enables the importation of candidate profiles, including work history, application history, and other relevant information. If you prefer to perform this task manually, navigate to the All Candidates section in the left-hand navigation panel and select Add Candidate. TFY offers candidate importation through 4 distinct methods. The first method is the bulk CV upload feature. You can choose multiple resumes, upload them with a single click, and TFY will generate digital profiles for all candidates automatically. This process is supported by artificial intelligence. Additionally, you have the option to link the uploaded candidates to any active or open positions within your organization. The next feature is the Import CSV function, designed to facilitate the addition of candidates through a downloadable template. By entering and completing essential candidate details in this template, the system will automatically generate profiles for each candidate. The third option is manual entry, allowing you to input candidate details manually, including the capability to upload their resume. The final method involves importing a candidate's profile using the TFY Chrome extension. This allows you to seamlessly import profiles from LinkedIn, GitHub, Stack Overflow, and Dribbble with a single click, eliminating the need to download and re-upload profiles to the TFY platform. These are the 4 efficient methods available for importing candidates on the TFY platform. Thank you very much.